Hey everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry that this is going up a little bit late. We did have a medical emergency in my family last week, and while we are not out of the woods with that one, we are definitely on the mend. So I had to head out of town. That's why this box is going up a little bit late. I'm so sorry. I haven't even had a chance to look at it. So we had that medical emergency. I headed out of town, got back a week later, and then I had to unpack my house. Mostly my craft room. Wanted to make sure that was done. So I have a functional craft room now, so that is a positive. And so we are trying to be back in business. So let's take a look at the Brutus Monroe Homegrown Happiness. This is the March 2021 inspiration box, and I just checked. It is still available. And if this picture does not give you some happiness, I don't know what would, because that is absolutely stunning, and that makes me just want to dive into this box. I have no idea what is in it. Honestly, I haven't even seen this stamp set, to be honest with you. It has just been that crazy of the last couple of weeks. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look, because I'm super excited. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we'll set it off to the side so we can take a look at the little pieces as they come out. Oh, here we go. Take a look at the flare. So here is our gorgeous pin. That is stunning. It's pretty big actually, and it's beautiful. And oh, it's got the 2-pin back. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. So let's set that off to the side and take a look at our next piece. Okay, we have some Sequin Assortment, and this one has some greens and some like pearlescent white ones, light greens. This is a very beautiful mix, and it is a lot of them in there. So gorgeous. All right, we've got that. And then we have our ribbon. Oh, that's pretty. So we got 1 yard of each of this, like really pretty green, like a taupe, and a pink. So that's great. And I've said this before, if you aren't typically like a ribbon user on your cards, these are great to like tie up your cards. I have been kind of getting back into making or putting ribbon on my cards. It used to be one of those things that I did all the time. Then I kind of got out of it, sort of doing it again. So I don't know, we'll use that for both. Okay, then we have, oh my goodness, look at this. Ooh, we've got some alcohol ink. Stone washed. All right. I love alcohol ink, so we'll definitely have to pull out some of my other ones to add to this one. This one is called the color Stone Washed. Let me see if I can grab access. I got to find it first. Everything's different in my craft room now. So let me take a look at that color, what that color will look like on some. All right, so this is the color. Pull that out so you can get a better look. That is what that color is going to look like. That is a beautiful, almost like a cornflower blue, it reminds me of. So I like that. That's beautiful. So there's our stone washed alcohol ink. And again, I'm going to pull out some other colors to match the kit and get going on that. We have a couple pieces of acetate. Now these measure, let's see, we've got like 5.5 inches. These are 5.5 by 3 inch pieces of acetate. There's 2 of them in here. So that will work well with our alcohol ink. Or if you wanted to use it for shakers, you've got options. We also have, oh, let me see. Ooh. Okay, so here are our foilables. Let me pull those out. And if you've never gotten Brutus Monroe boxes before, there are typically 4 foilables. In each box, there's 2 of each one. And I say foilable because you can foil them. I haven't had a ton of luck with foiling them on my laminator, but my Mink machine does an amazing job. So let's take a look at the 4 that we have. This is so pretty. Oh, so springy. I love the banner. And then that matches our pin. How pretty. So you've got 2 of those. Then we have this one. It's this beautiful frame. And these are really good to, if you want to use your alcohol markers on, if you want to sponge on them, that works really well too. I haven't really tried watercoloring, but I imagine if you're careful and don't use a ton of water, you could probably do that too. chaos out there, just chaos. All right, then, so we've got 2 of those. Then we have this one. This is a beautiful panel. That is so pretty. That, again, it looks like our pin back there. So we've got 2 of those. And then we have 2 of this one as well. Make a beautiful background. So you have 8 whole panels, and they are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. So like the whole front of an A2 size card. Those will be fun. So I'll definitely have to foil one and show you how that looks. And we'll have to do other things with it as well. So we've got that. Oh my goodness. Check it out. Oh, I love that Brutus Monroe is doing this. And these are a little bit, this font is different than the last one. So these are foilable as well, but these are their little sentiment strips. So we've got Never Stop Flourishing, I Miss You, Hello Friend, You Brighten My Day, You Belong Among the Flowers, Smile, You Make Me Smile, Happy Birthday, Friendship is Like a Blooming Flower, Congratulations on Your Big Day, Find the Beauty in Everything, You Make Me Smile, Hello Sunshine, Everything is Coming Up Roses, Embrace the Blooms, Bloom and Grow, Take Time to Smell the Flowers, Bloom Where You Are Planted, and Bloom. So let's see. Last time they had them in black and white. Oh, and we do. We have 2 of each one of these panels. And like I said, these are foilable as well. So we'll have to do that and cut these down. Oh, I am in love with these. And that font is amazing. Amazing. So excited for that. That is beautiful. Ooh. Yay! All right, so before we get into the stamp set, which I'm looking at, and it is gorgeous, let's take a look at the papers that come in the box. All right. And these are usually very good layering papers. So what do we have? Ooh, we have like some copper glitter stock, a whole 8.5 by 11 sheet of copper. Yes, and this stuff is great because it does not come off on your hands, which is nice. It die cuts beautifully. It is all the things. We have a light pink. We have a navy blue. We have a yellow. We have a lighter yellow or like a cream. And then we have like a cornflower blue that would match the stone washed beautifully. I love this. I'm so excited. It's funny because I woke up this morning going, you know what? I want to use alcohol inks. So we're going to have to do that today. It's a pretty palette. So there are our colors, and let's take a look at the stamp set. This is just going to make your heart so happy. Okay, check it out. Here it is. Yes, this is so beautiful. This is called, okay, it's not on there. It's right there. Homegrown Happiness, which is the title of the box anyway. I'm telling you, that's the week I've had. So you have, thank you for being so kind, thinking of you, missing your smile, with deepest sympathy and thank you. And then we have several flowers, so you could build your own bouquet. We've got leaves and stems and a jar, and we have a jar die cut. I love that. So you can cut out your jar. Not only can you cut out your jar, but we have the lid top. So you can cut out the top of the lid and you can stick your flowers inside. This is an amazing box and well worth the price of it. So I'm going to have it linked down below. If there are separate pieces, I will have those linked as well. But otherwise, go grab it because I don't know if this is going to last that long, those beautiful flowers. All right, everybody, keep an eye out. If you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And go ahead and hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I have a video out. As always, I will see you very soon. And thanks, guys. Bye.